Hello, my dear friend. I am Ravindra Gupta. Thank you for watching my YouTube channel Creativity by CAD. Today we will learn how to make an 3D object in Autocad. This is especially for the beginners. So please watch my video till the end. So you can see my screen here. You can see a 3D object. So same we will going to make. So let's start with that. So I'm going to draw a circle of radius 12 unit. Again, I am going to draw circle with the same center of radius 15 units. Again, I am going to draw a circle with same center of radius 18 units. Again, I am going to draw circle of radius 23.5 units. Another circle I am going to draw with the same center, radius 27. Now I am going to draw a straight line from the center of the circle to the outer circle. Now I am going to draw a line 100 units with angle of 45. Now I am going to trim this and I am going to draw a circle here in the right hand top corner of radius 3.5. Now another circle I am going to draw here of radius 7 units. Now I am going to delete this circle. There is no need of this more, so I am going to delete this one and going to draw a circle again with tangent radius. So first tangent, another tangent and radius 8 units, and now I am going to trim this and same as it is here, circle with tangent radius, here tangent and this again and radius 8 units, and going to trim this. You can see how this comes. Now I am going to trim some part which is not required. So this point I am going to trim as this is not required. So you can see here, this is all complete structure. Now I am going to use this array command, AR for array command. Going to choose polar array with the center of these, number of units 6, not 4. So you can see structure has been almost completed. Now I am going to delete this also and going to trim some of point which is not required. This you also see here, this also don't required. Now this part also I am going to trim. This is no more required. And last one is this. So you can see how the structure has come now. So I am going to join all those points which is not connected to each other. So this is the way that I am going to join here you can see through joining command. Now I am going to do enter. You can see this is almost complete join. Now what next we need to do? Let's come to another isometric view. Here you can see south west isometric. I just came here. Now I am going to extrude each of points. So first of all I am using press pull command. So let's do this one up to 12 minutes. This I am going to use up to 8 units, and this I am going to use 4 units. So you can see the structure almost completed. You can see how this structure comes. I am going to use front view. You can see here. Now I am going to use union command. You can see this whole structure is completed into one single. Now you can see here from southwest isometric view, you can see this is quite clear. So how this makes. Now I am going to move this from here to another position. So I am deleting this point, this portion. Now you can see the picture clear. You can see how this looks. Now one thing you can do, you can use material. First you have to choose this realistics, because if you want to look it as a real picture, so you have to choose realistic as well. I am going to choose material. So as it is metal, so we have to choose any metallic color, or steel also we can use. So I am going to choose any of these. I can choose any steel. So let's see which we can use. These are the plates. So I am using this one, stainless. Another we can choose steel door. Yes, that's great. So you can see how we can use the render command and all that, and press pull command, circle command, all those commands which we use here. And once I am going to show you how to make it render. So you can see this is going to make it. It will take some time for rendering. So once the render part will completed, then you can see its complete steel drawing or steel mechanical object. You can see this is how. So you can see this is complete steel object, mechanical object we can say. So I hope you like this video. So please like, share and comment. Write your comment and write your comment in comment box. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you.